Today we are doing yet another Depop mystery bundle. Follow my Instagram, it is at AdriNanaNanoodle, and I also have an art Instagram at AdriNanaMakesArt. And also, if you would like to subscribe and watch more, if you want to be along for the ride, then please subscribe. A Depop seller by the name of Angela, she messaged me on Depop telling me about her doing some style bundles and if I was interested. She had different tiers as far as pricing, and I went for the cheapest one, which is a $30 mystery style bundle. So it was $30 and then $10.50 shipping, so a total of $40.50. And she had different aesthetics, and the one I chose was a 90s grunge mystery box. What I did was I sent her some photos of my inspiration and she created a bundle and sent it over to me. Yeah, let's get to opening this box. I am sitting on the floor for a change. I just kind of want to chill out, you know? So here is the box. It's at a good weight. Okay, so here is what the box looks like inside. I love the whole like packaged individually, labeled, organized, you know, we all love that. So here's her card. So she has a little thank you card with her Depop information and Instagram. I love how all these Depop sellers are super legit, like they have their own business cards, their own like branding. I love that, so professional. We also got some Lisa Frank stickers, adorable. Gosh, man, when I was a kid, I freaking loved Lisa Frank. Like, I was obsessed. This first package says accessory, so I guess I will open this up since it was on the top. Wow, oh my gosh. I think this feels like real leather. Wow, and it's a mini backpack. Yes, I freaking love mini backpacks. They're just like the best kind of bag to have. I'm either like a backpack person or a tote bag person. Like, I do not do purses. I'm gonna check if this is real leather, because if it is, wow, that is crazy. Pell Studio Wilson's. It is, it's genuine leather. That is so nice of her. I don't own like genuine leather anything, and for it to be like a nice bag like this that I know is gonna last me a while. Yeah, really awesome accessory. Thank you so much, Angela. Very generous, and I really like that, so thank you. Okay, so next big package we have, it says outfits. So if this is more than one outfit, then psh, that's very nice of her. I had thought I was only gonna get one outfit. I am so excited. So I think I forgot to mention, but I was specifically looking for like a fall themed like grunge, because like we're getting ready for fall, so I asked kind of like for like cold weather stuff, and I believe there's a sweater in here. Here's what the outfits. Looks like there's a sweater, some kind of bottom, and a t-shirt. Oh, I'm so excited. Here's the stack. The clothing stack. Oh my gosh, I see like a rugged tee. Yes, that's awesome. It's a Nirvana like distressed t-shirt. Yeah, I upped the lighting for you guys a little bit just so you guys could see better. I apologize for this kind of weird lighting. It's so awesome because I was actually thinking, like, had this outfit where I was wearing like a graphic t-shirt and a skirt, and I was like, dang, if I just had like a rugged like distressed t-shirt, that would just make this outfit so much better. And I don't own any t-shirts like that, and this is my first one, and she gave me a Nirvana one, and I'm actually really glad it's a Nirvana. Like, I was kind of scared it would be like a band that I don't listen to, but I definitely enjoy Nirvana. And just with the holes in it, I mean, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I enjoy the distressing. I enjoy something with personality. There's the back. Okay, so next looks like some denim, and yes, looks like a pair of mom jeans, and they're these maroon mom jeans, which is so awesome. I do not own any maroon mom jeans or very many colored mom jeans. Liz Claiborne jeans, just very nice quality. Love vintage mom jeans. I love mom jeans. Yes, this is definitely very grunge, definitely fits with the 90s grunge theme. Okay, and last we have a sweater, which I am so excited, and it's in these like fall colors. So we have a big cozy striped sweater. As soon as it gets cold, like I'm gonna be like wearing this every single day. Like I love this so much. And it is a vintage Gap sweater. All right, so it looks like we got some jewelry as well. Ooh. We got multiple jewelry. So cool. Okay, awesome. So we have this choker necklace and it has an infinity symbol. These 90s choker, and it has the yin and yang, or one piece of the yin and yang, which is very cool. I love the 90s themed jewelry. Really appreciate that. All right, and she did include a little letter. So she says, "Hello love, I was so excited to create this custom look for you. For your bottoms, I went with some vintage burgundy high-waisted mom jeans that you could pair with the two tops I gave you. I decided to give you two top options. For the first top, I went with this awesome oversized Nirvana tee with holes all over it. This tee was from my closet and I thought it would go perfect with the 90s grunge theme. For the second top, I went with this cute Gap striped knitted sweater. I thought it would be perfect for the fall grunge theme. Now for accessories / jewelry, I went with a cute vintage mini black backpack, cute tattoo choker with a yin yang charm on it, and a cute black infinity choker. I hope you love this look as much as I do. Tag me in your looks on Instagram if you post them. Thank you so much for trusting in me to create this look for you. XOXO Angela." Thank you so much, Angela, and I love these items. So let's go put this outfit together and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Here is the outfit. Oh my gosh, she freaking nailed this. I'm so happy with this Nirvana tee. Like, I don't want to take this off. It's so comfortable. The graphic is sick. Like with the jeans fit me so well. I put on my Jaden dogs because I mean I had to, right, for this outfit. And then with the cute little leather mini bag, I'm done. This is perfect. I think this is one of the best aesthetics I chose. I think this is the most like fashionable and fun and like comfortable style to wear. You guys could probably tell I was very much influenced by the fashion blogger Luana, and when I sent her photos of outfit inspiration, I sent a lot of photos of that fashion blogger, so you guys can probably see like the influence that her style had. I think Angela nailed what I wanted. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the sweater over my outfit, you guys, just to show you. Okay, so this is how the sweater looks. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cozy. And it even matches with the pants. I love that. Okay, so let me actually like tuck it in. Alright, so here's the outfit with the sweater. Hell yeah, man. 10 out of 10 with this freaking bundle. And that's all I gotta say. Thank you. That concludes this mystery bundle unboxing. So about the seller, you guys should check out her Depop. Her Depop is Angela Homicide. She sells some style bundles in some different aesthetics. She did really good with what I wanted. Everything fits, great quality, got some vintage items, all the good stuff. So I had really fun doing this video, and Angela, thank you so much. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay positive and always be creative. See you next time. Bye.